Today we're making chocolate stuffed, crispy, gooey PB&J bites. And the first thing you need is a low carb torty, which we are going to spread some peanut butter into. I'm not sure if this would work using peanut butter powder for like a more macro-friendly version, but I'm just using natural peanut butter with no added sugar. Okay, so once you've got that spread on nice and good, you're gonna slice up some strawberries. What's up, Heidi? I love your book. I lost 50 pounds. Shout out to Chef Hussein. That's amazing. If you guys don't have my book, go to Amazon, type in Carefree Keto, and you can get it there. It's not just recipes, it's meal plans, weight loss guide, all of that. All right, so from here, what you're going to do is add some sliced strawberries. By the way, I also did this with a banana for Sophia, and it looks like 1,000 times better than this version, and this version looks really good too. I'll show you guys both. Got your book, it's great. Thank you, Amplified. I love you. Thank you, Mirza, I love you too. All right, so your strawberries, some chocolate chips. I've lost 30 pounds, thank you. Shout out to Addie, that's incredible. These are just the Lily's sugar-free chocolate chips. And from here, we're just gonna roll this thing up. I guess you could put it straight into the air fryer like this. Can you share recipes with your pasta, please? Do you have any larger bags of your pasta? So we had some 12-ounce bags that may be selling out soon. I think we're gonna discontinue that one and just focus on the 3-pack of 8-ounce bags. But, so the 3-pack of 8-ounce would be the best bet. Your book is being delivered today, can't wait. Shout out to KNJS321, I hope you love it. All right, so now that we've rolled this up, we're gonna slice this into about 4 pieces. By the way, the reason I'm on so early today, one of my friends from Austin is in Houston today and he's coming to visit me in like a few minutes. So I thought I would get all of my videos done for the day early. So this is what the middle looks like. And then from here, honestly, like it would probably be pretty good to just throw them in the air fryer as is, or eat them as is, but I have some like butter and Truvia that I mixed up. What's the name of your cookbook, please and thank you? It's called Carefree Keto. That's what it looks like, you can see. It's like a picture of me in a blue shirt on Amazon. So coat it in that sweetener and a little bit of butter or oil. And then from here, just air fry it at 400 degrees for about 6 minutes. Congrats on sticking to it while vacationing, so inspiring. Thank you, Jean. Yeah, it was hard sticking to my diet like at Disney and Florida at the beach. Like we ordered fried pickles at dinner and I had like one. It was tough, but at the same time, it's like a different kind of excitement, you know? So let's just pretend we threw these into the air fryer, 400 for like 6 to 10 minutes. But like knowing you're sticking to your goals in the face of temptation is a like rewarding experience similar to how enjoying the food would be. And I'm okay with both instances. Like there will be trips, probably our next vacation, I will go off the rails a little bit and that will feel very rewarding too. So it's like, I just think that both can be rewarding. Like you don't have to eat a bunch of junk food to feel happy, and you also don't have to stick to your diet strictly to feel happy. Like you can find happiness in any journey with food. Okay, so this is how they come out. Look how crispy. I mean, it looks like crab rangoon. Like, let me get a fork. Do you guys hear that? The strawberries like caramelize a little bit. The chocolate chips get all melty. Someone said too much talking. I just made a 8-second video that I'm gonna post of this in a couple days. That's where you get the quick recipe. This is where we just hang out and talk while I make and enjoy food. So I have zero appetite in the morning. I mentioned I'm going live because my friend's coming to hang out this early. So I am not gonna eat a full one. I'm just gonna take a bite and tell you guys how it tastes. Oh, but before I do that, and there's a little hole in here because I did put toothpicks in them just to be safe, but I also did a couple with no toothpick and it was fine that way. So, yeah, you don't have to add a boo, too much talking. I'm sorry, Claudette. The short videos that I post would definitely be more your vibe then. Before I take a bite, here's what the banana ones look like. It is crazy. This is like super, super good. I haven't taken a bite of this. This is for Sophia. Oh my God. Okay, we'll take a bite of the smaller one. Melty chocolate. Oh my God. Oh my God. When I reheat these for dessert tonight, because they're a little on the higher calorie side, just from having peanut butter, it's not worth eating 200 calories when I have zero appetite, when I'm at this part of my weight loss phase with like the last 5 pounds, when it starts getting tough and I'm saving every calorie for like filling, you know, plates of vegetables and chicken and stuff. And then having my couple bites of fun dessert at night. Like, when I have this tonight before bed, it is going to be pure heaven. This is so good. The tortilla getting so crispy, and then all the gooiness inside. You guys 100% have to go make this. I can't believe how good they are. All right, I'm gonna get out of here. Thank you for all your recipes, helped me lose 30 pounds. Shout out to Lucas, that is incredible. Gotti, you 100% could use cream cheese instead of peanut butter. Absolutely. I've actually done that before. It's very good. It's more like a strawberry cheesecake vibe. So, all right guys, I love you. I believe in you. Bye. Thank you for joining Carmen. Shout out to Carmen.